Okay, just doing a quick video here of the ZASTAVA M70. One of my previous videos I talked about how I added on the side folding stock because the AK master mount, or how the side folding stock would kind of rub up against the master mount. So I've just done some research and decided to try and flip it to the other side. I'm going to say I don't really like it. I think the person that I saw a video on that had flipped it to the other side was using the old model. I want to call out kind of what's going on here with the new model. You can tell this is upside down. So what that does is that slants the top of your buttstock really far down. See, this is at an angle. It's tapered, so it's smaller at the bottom and bigger up top. Imagine this flipped, and I'll do a video of it back to the right side. So this is left folding instead of right folding. Right folding instead of left folding. And so it just really brings this all the way down. It brings kind of an angle, and so when you put your cheek, you have to really almost get your chin to even see the optic. That's as low as it can get, and it would be also too low for even the iron sights. So I think switching it over, the new style, I know for sure this has changed. It's a single screw versus the old style was 2 screws. So again, this is side folding. It's folding over to the right. You look at it. I don't know. And then also this is, because this upper thing here is slanted, it's slanting up, so you can't even use the charging handle. So you wouldn't be able to fire it in the folded position, which is kind of one of the reasons why I want a side folder. So I think that's not going to work. I'm going to take the time to undo these 2 screws, undo the back screw, turn everything backside, and we'll take a look at it the other way. Okay, just coming back, finishing it up. I just swapped this the other way back around again. As you can see, look, it was a lot more slanted down. It's now slanted straight flat. So I flipped this back up, flipped it over to this other side. Downside is you can't take the master mount out without taking the rail on the back off. That's fine. Don't plan on taking this off very often, only when I'm cleaning the gun. So such is life. I'll stay with this. Maybe if there's a different approach or a different side folder in the future, I'll look at getting one of those. But I think is what it is with the ZASTAVA. If you want to have a decent cheek weld with your optic on these newer versions of the side folders. Take care. Please like, share, and subscribe.